Hi everyone, my name is Julie DePomprians. I'm Chief Revenue Officer at Indiegogo, and I am here today with the HOVERAir team to check out their new HOVERAir X1 Pro and Pro Max, and I could not be more excited. So this is the gear, this is it. It's absolutely amazing. And I am a novice to this world, I have to say. So if I can figure this out, anyone can figure this out. We'll start with that. HOVERAir launched on Indiegogo about a year ago with their first version. So this is the HOVERAir X1, and it was a huge success. It raised over $1 million on Indiegogo and had amazing response from our backers who really loved using the product. It was something totally different in the market, a drone that was this tiny, this small, that can really kind of fold up and fit in your pocket, and you could bring it anywhere. And the amazing thing was that even with a camera this size, it still had a 2.7K resolution, which is really amazing to see. The coolest part that I think about being part of Indiegogo is that our backers are not just engaged with getting a product in the mail, which is obviously an amazing thing, but they also really love giving feedback and guidance and sharing their opinions, good and bad, with our campaigners who are building these products. And so the HOVERAir team over the last year actually took all of that feedback, and they came to market now with these two new amazing products. So here we have the HOVERAir X1 Pro and the HOVERAir X1 Pro Max. So the HOVERAir X1 Pro actually has an increased resolution, 4K, and the Pro Max has 8K. So the way I think about this is like, this one's probably for me, like the one I'm gonna tuck in my pocket and use with my iPhone. This one, the new Pro, is for, I would say, more athletes, more sports enthusiasts, people who really are on the go and want to make the most of this, but still in the small package size. And we'll tell you coming up, it's a great perk price as well for this one. This one is the Pro Max, and this is really amazing because it's built for real life photographers and cinematographers, and this is an 8K resolution, which is amazing. The Pro actually has a sensor in the back, so it knows what proximity it is to things behind it, and it will actually make sure it stays away from hitting, hitting things behind it. And the Pro Max is even cooler because it not only has a sensor, but it also has a camera in the back. It's amazing to see. And something like this tiny. They have created a whole other kind of suite of tools and supplies for however you actually want to use the product itself. This is called a beacon, which is this really cute. The great thing about this is that they made this because some of the backers told them that when they were using the camera, they, when they're riding, they're cycling or they're skiing, they didn't actually know if it was behind them or not. And this little beacon actually tells them just that. So there are a few different add-on tools with this. One is you can actually attach it to this and clip it onto yourself. So it has a microphone, it listens to you, actually knows what you're saying, and you can make sure it's tracking. The second little tool, which I think is really amazing, is this bike mount. So as you're cycling, you actually clip it right in, it's magnetic, you hook this onto your bike, and you can actually see the picture of what the camera is viewing from behind or from the side or from wherever it's filming from. So that's really amazing. There's this like joystick, so you can basically attach it here and use this like a joystick and move the camera around, move the HOVERAir around to where you want it to be and position it exactly right. And you can see exactly what it's viewing in this little camera as well, this little beacon. For the real professional drone users, which I am not, but I'm figuring this out, which is pretty easy and amazing. You can attach this second piece, and then it actually becomes a full controller. And then even cooler, you can pull this out and put it down, and then tuck your phone in here, and you can actually see on your phone in a larger, much larger image what's happening on the camera as well. So just incredible kind of multifaceted functionality across different tools and really built for however you want to use it as well. For the kind of skiers and cold weather fanatics out there, one of the things I really love is that they've thought everything through from that standpoint as well. So these batteries are actually thermal batteries, which means they can withstand temperatures of up to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, which is very cold. And the most interesting part is this adorable case, which is actually beautiful. And not only is it a case for your drone, you can pop it right in here, but the best part is then it charges while it's in here, while it's inside. And on top of that, there's this little extra port where you can charge your phone as well. So you think about it, you go down the mountain, you put your drone in the case to charge it while you're on the ski lift, you plug in your phone, you charge your phone, it's completely multi-purpose and just takes care of every part of your life, which is amazing. The other case that I really love is this case that goes on your bike. So there's one side where you can fit the drone, there's the other side where you could fit all of the kind of accessories and your cables and everything, and then you actually can unzip this entire thing and pop it right over your bike as well. So it stays with you the entire time, which is really amazing. And it comes in this beautiful packaging. Everything fits in perfectly. It's sturdy, it's beautiful. So in here, the most amazing thing is that all of your tools fit. You tuck your drone in, your charger, your extra batteries, and then you're good to go. So it's really an amazing product. We're so excited at Indiegogo that HoverAir is coming back and launching these two amazing products with us. August 26th, it's Monday, get ready, we're so excited. They have some amazing perks, some amazing bundles, really just crazy pricing that they're offering because our Indiegogo backers provided the amazing feedback to really bring these two products to life. So we thank the HoverAir team for everything that they've done. The second piece that is so exciting about this launch, and this is a first for Indiegogo, is that we're actually offering it with a shipping guarantee. And so we know that in crowdfunding, sometimes it can be scary to invest your money and not be sure when you're gonna get your products that you're so excited about. Well, the amazing thing about the HoverAir team is that they've actually guaranteed shipping. So all products will be shipped out by October 31st, which, as you know, is really, really fast in the crowdfunding world. So you can go online, go to Indiegogo, support HoverAir, buy your perks, back these products, and know that you'll get them really, really quickly and be able to, travel the world with your new drone. So thank you guys so much at the HoverAir team. We're so excited to be here and be a part of this launch. And thank you for trusting Indiegogo to be a partner.